Hey everyone, 3D Printing Maniac here. Today a little different project. I want to create tool which help me sending my prints. I know there is a lot of things like that on Thingiverse, but creating my own models give me more satisfaction. So I want to design my own 3D models. At the beginning I start from creating shape of screw and rectangle nut which I will be use in my project. Next step was creating the shape of my tool from the side view. So I just start creating straight line. So this is the smaller top part, and here I wanted to round the back, so I just use the circle from 2 points and the trim tool. Next I use the offset to create the second part of the tool. I did 0.1 millimeter offset, but it should be bigger because I forgot between those two parts there will be a sandpaper. When the shape was ready, I just extruded to add thickness. After that, I duplicate the edges of nut and bolt and offset them. Those curves I extrude and then use the boolean operation. So this create the holes. Here I create shapes to remove some materials. It wasn't necessary but looks nicer. After that I just create mesh from surface and export everything to STL. I slice my model in Cura with 0.2 mm layer standard quality. My sanding tool is done. I had a little problem because I didn't take into account paper between those two parts, so the gap was too small. So I use a sandpaper to remove a little of materials. So now everything works fine. So as you can see on the 3D printer, you can print also some useful stuff. If you like this video, don't forget to leave thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss next projects, click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next movie.